Hey guys, this is Prithvi from FVC and today I'm going to show you how you can get the attendance register of a course from the reports module. So when you log in, click on the reports icon and then click on the attendance register option. Now you see these filters on top where you can enter your class details. So select the category first. Then select your program. Then select your course and then click on the apply filter button. So when you click on the apply filter button, it will show you the details of the course that you have entered. So now you can print this data out using this icon, or if you have too many data and you want a specific one, you can search using the search bar provided above. So when you click on the reset button, it will reset the data in the filter. Then you can enter the new data as per your requirements. And if that class has no data to be shown, then you will see this empty table where it says no data found. This video explains how to get the attendance register from the reports module. Thanks for watching.